Hello, Doug Richards here for U.S. Law Shield of Colorado, coming to you from my Denver, Colorado office. It's a beautiful day in Colorado because every day in Colorado is beautiful. And the one thing I want to talk to you about today is whether or not you can do something about a person who is burglarizing your vehicle in your driveway. And this one comes a little bit, hits a personal side for me because I actually a couple years ago had my car stolen. And I often think, my goodness, what if I had walked up on that person stealing my car? What would I have done? And what would I have done, or what should I have done, or is really kind of the topic of today's discussion. A lot of times people want to think that if they see somebody burglarizing their car or doing some vandalism or even trying to steal their vehicle, hey, look, I got my gun, I'm going to go confront this person, I'm going to hold him at gunpoint, and I'm going to save the day. Don't do it. Stay home. If you're in your house and you see somebody burglarizing your car, call 911. Maybe you yell outside, turn the lights on, you yell outside at the person and let them know that you're watching them, but stay indoors. You don't know how many people are there. You don't know if there's a getaway car and somebody backing them up, and whether or not those people are armed. You simply do not know all of the facts, and it's impossible for you to really assess all of those things in a very short period of time. If it's only property they're after, let them have it. Your health, your safety is your number one priority, so stay locked inside of your house. But what happens if you were in a parking lot and you walked up on it and you see somebody doing this nefarious activity? Again, I would stay back. I would call 911, I would get them on the phone, and then maybe you yell out at the person, hey, listen, police are on their way, if you want to do that. I probably would not do that. I wouldn't want to draw attention to myself. I wouldn't want that person or their affiliates and associates to think that I was a threat to them so that maybe they would engage me. Again, your firearm that you're possessing, you're carrying it concealed, is there to stop threats that are coming at you. It's not for you to go out and become the law enforcement member of the community or the area, where you are, even if it's your own property. Now, again, could you do it? Sure, you could do it, but you really shouldn't do it. Here's the other reason why you shouldn't do it. In Colorado, there is no right to use deadly force to defend your personal property. So if you are going to confront somebody and they're just basically vandalizing your car or stealing something out of your car, and you pull your firearm out and you point your gun at them, and that's the record, that's it, you're going to be in trouble because you don't have the right to use deadly force against a person who's just stealing property and just committing a theft. If the person, however, is holding a crowbar and you feel threatened by that, or the person is coming at you in a way that you feel threatened, that your life, your safety is in jeopardy, that's a totally different analysis, but you will always be judged on a reasonableness standard. Were your actions reasonable under this situation? Did you use an amount of force reasonable under the situation? So again, if you confront the person and they turn around and they just start walking towards you, pulling out your gun and pointing at them is going to draw a lot more scrutiny than if the person is, holding a weapon. Again, all of this can be avoided if you just call 911 and report this to the authorities, and you stay hunkered down and in a position where your life and your safety is not being placed at risk. If you have any questions about this at all, give me a call at my office. I'm always here, always available to talk to members about anything they want to chat about, this or anything else. And I look forward to talking to you. Thanks for watching.